Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are back at Okmulgee River. We're going to be doing some bass fishing today, trying out some top water. Cass has a pretty cool lure over there that she'll be trying. It's like a West End, almost like a whopper plopper. I'll be doing some soft plastics and maybe a whopper plopper as well, but hopefully we get on some fish today. We haven't really caught anything in a while, so we need a good day. Ooh. So we recently had a few rainstorms, so as you can tell the water's pretty muddy and the current's moving pretty quick, so probably sticking to moving baits today, or like a swim bait. That normally works good for us. Might need to swap over to a spinner bait if this doesn't work.
Got one.
Nice, nice. Hey, there we go. Oh, this is stuck. Okay. Oh, that's a catfish. What the heck? That's so crazy.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Catfish on a freaking bass lure?
Yeah, that's crazy.
I was like, why is this
on a lure?
like that? I didn't know like a bass.
What the heck?
That's crazy. That's wild.
That is wild. All right.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Oh wow, that's crazy.
That is tripping.
That's the first time that's happened.
Yeah. I was about to say me too, but it was me. That's wild.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. At least we got one on today.
Yeah.
Good sign. Yeah, I wasn't swimming like a bass. I was like, why is it like dragging on the water?
Yeah, I was doing like the roll.
Yeah.
The catfish
Bass
roll.
don't swim like that. I was like, maybe it's a sunfish.
At first I thought, I was like, is that a crappie or something?
Yeah, I thought
I was like, what the heck? Crappie. I always forget. Yeah, this tree wasn't here the last time we came. Yeah, that's probably such a good little place for all the sunfish and bluegill. Oops, straight into the tree. Oh, okay.
I got a big fish on it. Look at the gar. Is that a bass or a gar? You see that?
I don't see it right now.
It was right there. You saw
I saw the plop.
That wasn't a bass though. That had to be a gar. It went to the right one, so not over there.
Is that an otter?
Where?
Or is that just a? Is it? No, that's like an animal.
Yeah, that's
A muskrat or otter?
Yeah, I think like a chick.
That's crazy. Taking our fish.
Did it have a fish and stuff?
No. This is where you caught that big one. Oh, they plopping over there. The other side has shade. I feel like we maybe should have gone there.
You wanna go over there?
Yeah, let's go. That side has shade. I feel like the fish would be where the shade's at. Yeah, this does look fishy over here. Yeah, another thing I like to do is throw parallel to fallen trees. They like to be hiding underneath it. Oh my gosh, I got a bite. I thought I had one.
Oh, you almost did it.
I had it.
Yeah, look, it almost came on.
Yeah.
No.
Let me try one of these saucy slimmer. I'm googing. So this is normally a good spot to target fish too. You see there's a creek channel coming into the main river. Also a lot of fish like to just sit here. We got unlimited food coming in. Yeah, if you guys been wondering why we haven't posted a video in a while, Bad fishing trips. So we're taking a quick little snack break. My coffee, Cass drinking water, got some kind bars. Only one fish this morning so far. We've been fishing for maybe an hour and a half, so it's not looking good, but hopefully the second half of the trip speeds up. Hopefully things turn up.
I knew it. I knew I woke up early for those.
You caught a fish.
Oh, not like that. That one? Oh, it came off.
Oh, that might have been one.
Oh my gosh. What? But that was because of the big fish.
Oh, I got bites. I was eating though. Again, I missed bites because I wasn't paying attention. Always pay attention.
Ooh, ooh. Did you see how much of those?
Well, yeah, I saw that.
They stopped biting though.
We're getting bites here. Let me reverse this a little bit. I'm a little worried about coming back. If we see it. I mean, let's just take a little look. Let's take a little look. Because this looks kind of shallow. I don't know if the motor is going to be able to go good. It looks shallow. Like you can see the rocks. You see them? There might be shoalies. Yeah, you see it's really rocky. Yep, see? Oop. Let me reel this up. Yeah, I don't think we can go down that way. We're like right on top of a rock.
That way?
Let me see, Pam.
Oh, the right side?
Okay. It is not moving. Hold this, hold this. Paddle while we're moving, I guess. This is a river disaster. Hold up, no, keep us like this for now. I gotta make this straight. Okay. Where's the path with least rocks? Maybe like right here, right? Yeah, whenever you're able to. Literally, you can't afford to stop paddling. That's crazy. Okay, I think we're good. I think you can stop.
Okay, get it, put it out of here. I'm not going back. If we go back, I'm done. I'm gonna go down the river rapids. That's it.
What the heck? Bird's nest. Yeah. Not horrible. All this hard work will make that first fish or the second fish for you feel even better.
How do you usually fish these? Do they like consistently reel and then just jig or slow?
Sometimes you can just like keep it still and like just jig it. Sometimes you can reel in all the slack, then just like lift it up slowly, then put your rod tip down, reel up all the slack, jig it up slowly. This is what we need to resort to. Bluegills ain't never let me down. Stuck.
Oh yeah, you're right on the branch. I see it. No, don't break it off. It's right there. I see it on the branch. You don't have to get it off if you go closer.
Woo! That came like a bullet. No, I got it. Are you done casting by the tree? Yeah. I thought that's where the good spot was.
It's over here, but I feel like when we used to throw it like right by the tree, we were always like. Oh my gosh! Please don't come off. It's a big one, Lonzo. Oh my gosh, it's a big one. Please get it. Please get it. Please get it. Please get it. Please get it.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Cast. Ooh, 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 ooh. Where is it? Oh, that's blasphemy. Just let it fight. Let it fight, Cass. Don't worry. Just let it fight. Just let it fight. Bring it up. Ooh, just let it fight.
I reeled it up too much. I reeled it up too much. Okay. Ooh,
It's not in. It's not in. Oh, okay, there we go. There we go.
Oh my
Nice.
gosh.
Look at that. That's a nice bass.
That one's
Nice.
huge.
That's super
You said
good.
throw it by the tree. I said I didn't throw it by the tree. I was like, something told me to throw it by the
Gosh,
tree.
that's a nice bass.
That has to be my Pee-wee, I think.
Nah.
Nah?
Nah.
Is it even hooked?
Yeah, it is hooked.
Okay.
Oh,
Hold
no.
on, let me loosen the line real quick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn, that bass splashed me right in the face.
Scale, my man. You okay? Was something hit you in the face?
All the water hit me in the face.
That thing was fighting.
Yeah, that one was fighting. I think that's a shoal. A big shoal. Yeah. Look at the stripes.
0.
0. 2.5.
2.5. Okay.
Nice. Release it.
Yeah. It's ready. Bye, Casey.
Just swam underneath the boat. It was probably that same one. I got one. Oh, a little one. Yes, finally. Thank you. Thank you, little fishy. Thank you, Cass.
So cute.
Yeah, there we go. Little small one. Finally, thank you. All right, guys, so we've been fishing for almost 3.5 hours now. We've caught 2 bass, 1 catfish, and nothing else. We've lost a whole bunch of lures. It's hot. We're getting cooked out here.
We want some Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, plan is to get some Chick-fil-A after this, so hopefully maybe we can catch another bass or 2 in the last 30 minutes, but we'll keep you guys updated. Well, I haven't yet.
Got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Hey.
Oh, it came off.
Was it small?
Yeah, it was small.
Oh, no.
Ah, at least I got to fight a little one. Dang, you go. So this is also like a pretty good thing to target because when all this rushing water goes to the edge, you see how it's still? That's what fish like to be in, because this... Where?
Oh no. Oh no, oh no.
What are you doing? You should have just gone backwards. Oh, there's just literally a spider on that one, Cass.
The motor!
You okay?
Yeah. Oh, it's over here, Was it a small spider?
You think so? Alright, so that wasn't the best trip, but at least we caught 3.